Hi everybody, you're watching NDTV Swirlster and today I have with me the Agate Premium Onion Hair Oil. Hopefully I have pronounced the name of the brand correctly. Now, as the name suggests, red onion juice in this case specifically, is the primary ingredient in this hair oil's formula, but it isn't the only one. The ingredient list of this hair oil is jam-packed with a whole lot of nourishing ingredients for the hair. It includes bringraj, amla, shea butter, coconut oil, and so much more. That's only the ingredient list. Now together they aim to work together to revitalize and strengthen the hair roots so that hair grows strongly without any frizz and very healthily. I'm going to give you a close-up of this hair oil as well as my experience using it, so keep watching. The Agate Premium Onion Hair Oil comes in a clear plastic bottle that looks like this. It has a gold colored plastic cap on top, and you can see from the exterior itself the onion hair oil is red in color. It's a bright red, so it is very visible from the outside of the bottle as to how much of product is in the inside. This bottle is 100 ml and it costs approximately rupees 7.99. At the back of the bottle are the key ingredients included in this hair oil as well as details about the formula and how you can use it. Let me give you a swatch of what the hair oil looks like. I am opening it up. As you can see, it's a completely wide-mouthed bottle. So I will just give you a little bit of the product on my hand right here. That is what the oil looks like. You can see it's dripping. It is very thin, and even when it comes out of the bottle, it is slightly red tinted but not as bright as you would see it inside. Anyone who has done a bit of digging into hair oils which are made for nourishing the hair and hair growth will know that onion is a really key ingredient in that sphere. This is where this hair oil comes in. It is made using red onion juice as well as a whole lot of other ingredients which I mentioned before, which are in its formula. Apart from that, it also does not contain any harsh chemicals. It doesn't contain any parabens and it is vegan friendly. Now onto the packaging of this hair oil. For one, it comes in a plastic bottle. It is clear plastic and so is the cap, which is gold colored but also made of plastic. And this being a premium onion hair oil, as the name suggests, I find that the packaging of it doesn't suit that tag as much because it can feel a little light and not as sturdy and doesn't have that kind of appeal that I would like from a premium product in this price range. When it comes to the dispensing of this hair oil, as you saw from the close-ups, it has a wide mouth at the top of the bottle. This makes applying it and using this hair oil quite difficult because it can get very messy. There isn't a concealed or a precise dispenser on top to remove the hair oil, so with such a large mouth at the top of the bottle, it can make using it quite messy. That is one aspect I would say which would need more improvement from this hair oil bottle. Onto its formula. For one, when you open it, immediately is when you get a very strong fragrance of an Ayurvedic scent. I would say an Ayurvedic herbal scent from this particular hair oil. I can't pinpoint exactly what the notes of that are, but it is definitely very strong and herbal based, I would say, which is why I would suggest not using this hair oil anywhere outside. It would be primarily for nourishing purposes, and as it suggests, using it overnight in your hair. You would ideally stay at home and use it on your hair and wash it off after that. Now, the actual claims of the hair oil are many, from frizz to softening to strengthening the roots To tackling many other hair issues, I would say I've used this a number of times by now, and I would say that it works really well on the softness and bounce of hair. It, in fact, even from a single wash, the next day when you use it, hair has so much volume and you can feel the kind of softness that it has in your hand. Personally, this is my hair after a wash and a dry. There aren't any products added, and this is what it looks like. Frizz may not be tackled as well as other issues, and for strengthening of hair roots, it isn't something that happens immediately. It would need prolonged usage that I would say would take weeks and even months to show the effect. But I can say from my experience of using this hair oil that it works really well on softening the hair, on making it very bouncy, and adding a lot of healthy shine to the hair once you wash it off. That's what we think of this hair oil today.